Hi guys, I decided to make a video how to remove the furnace in 1993 Northern Light truck camper, since I had such a hard time finding any kind of information about it, and it took me almost a couple of days to get this thing rolling. I don't want anybody else to go into the same process, so this should help. So anyway, that's how it looks like. I already removed the pretty much everything inside, but this is the cover, and this is the inside. I kind of got it out a little bit too much, but you don't have to. As long as you take those screws out, those ones that are screwing to the board here. This is the part of the stove that goes out, right? Okay, and of course disconnect your gas line. Alright, and now the tricky part is on the other side of the thing. Just in order to get this baby out, we need to do some bizarre thing on the other side, so I'll show you what it is. Alright, so now on the other side, that's where the tricky part is. You got those two screws, one here, one there. I kind of bang this thing out of it because I had a hard time figuring things out. Anyway, you get those two screws out. We tried to pull this guy out, but it doesn't come out as easy as I did it this morning. You get a couple of